Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Deep Motion AI. First of all, open up your browser, then type in your browser Deep Motion AI, hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to create yourself an account, and once you're done with that, click on this go to portal window right here. Now once you're here, click on animate 3D and click on the skip button right here. Now after that, click on 3D models right here. After that, scroll down and click on stylized avatars. Now after that, in here, you can fully customize your character, including his clothes, facial expressions, hairs, glasses, masks, makeup, and stuff like that. Now after that, click on next. And after that, just name your character. I'm just gonna go for my character. After that, hit save. Now after a character has been created, click on create animation right here. Now in here, drop the video that you want animated. I'm just gonna go for this jogging video right here. Click on open. Adjust these according to your video. For example, mine is just a running video, so I'm just gonna leave it 3D animation, and the video includes just a single person, so I'm just gonna go for the single person. After that, scroll down and click on video output right here. Now once you're in this window, enable MP4 right here. Now select the background into a solid, and yes, just make that it's a green screen. Leave the camera at cinematic and leave the camera angle is here as well. And after that, just simply hit create. Now after that, click on start job. So here is my character running according to my video right here. It's a bit incomplete because of the video restrictions of deep motion, as I had to crop and cut down the video to match their restrictions. Now after that, you can click on this download button right here and click on this button right here and click on MP4 and click on download, and that animation can be downloaded. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use Deep Motion AI for animating your characters. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.